Okay, like I tell you guys, if you subscribe to the channel and you're always kind of keeping your eyes peeled for a good used truck that might be coming in, I'm not too sure about this yet, but I'm going to start fielding phone calls on this. And if you guys are interested, this is a 2012 389 short hood, and this one is actually set up for more like a heavy haul application. So I'll just go through it real fast. Back in January of 2019, we did a full long block on this truck, and I have all the paperwork on it. And so the owner really did some good care on this truck. And so if you're pulling heavier loads, or you want to do end dump, belly dump or something, it's going to have a PTO left on it, possibly with the I don't know what it'll all be set up for. Right now it's currently a fuel hauler truck, and it's just a little bit heavy, so they're trying to get into something a little bit lighter. It's about a 250 wheelbase, and as you can see, it's got super singles on the back. They were trying to lighten it up a little bit. 80-gallon tank on this side. It's got a split hydraulic tank on the other side. These are 23-inch diameter tanks. And they're going to go ahead and put the steel fifth wheel back on it that has a little bit of a higher rise. And I can go ahead and get you some tandems put on here if you wish. That's not a problem. So I don't want people to take away from this truck, but it's got an air track suspension, and as you can see, it's a 46,000 pound rear and a 14.6 front. So this one is made heavy, and it is a double frame, as you can see. Full lockers. It's got a 58-inch flat top. Somebody with some polishing skills could really do some great stuff with this one. So, glass is good. It's got the shorter stacks because it's going under racks. So this one, weight out of the factory was 19,313. Seats are in good shape. So this truck has some good bones to it. 304,000 miles on it, so it's a low mileage truck. 600 horse ISX Cummins. I'll jump under the hood here in a second. I forgot to do that while I was outside. And you can see your lockers. These fuel haulers don't sleep in these things very often, so the sleepers are not as used as frequently as a over the road. Again, I have all the paperwork on the overhaul. I forgot what the mileage is. Leaf springs all look good. They're not flat. Again, this truck was serving a purpose where this application was pretty heavy overkill for what it was doing. It's got the remote lubes and everything, so getting a brand new ECM today as well. So if you have any worries about electronics. But there you guys have it. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 970-518-5520, and let's chat about this truck. If you like these videos, go ahead and click on the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you. And we'll talk soon. Stay safe, everybody.